How to use stacks and add blank stacks with Quick Add in Wix Studio. So for the stacks, you can just click on any element that you wish to stack together. In this case, let's choose in here this heading, and then let's click on Shift onto our keyboard and then click onto this text right here. That way, these two texts will be selected together. Now, once these two stacks are selected together, you can see in here the stack option. Click onto the stack option, and what this will do is it will bind or group these two elements together, and if you move one, the other one will also move. So as you can see right now, they have been stacked. Now, if you want to add a stack or a blank stack in this, what we can do is we can head over and then click onto this plus icon. And then from in there, just head over to your quick add. And in here, we have the stack option. Just head over and then drag it and then put it wherever you want to attach the elements into. In that way, it should be able to be attached, and we have in here this blank stacks or stack that we can utilize. So that's how you use stacks and add blank stacks with Quick Add in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.